Hello, hi Esoterica viewers. This was a little bit of my shopping haul from Salem, Massachusetts. Of course, I had to buy tarot cards. I've already done videos for magical spell cards and tarot of oppositions. And today I'm going to unbox Witchlings Deck and Book Set by Paulina Cassidy. "200-page spell book, 40 inspiration cards." That's pretty equal, the deck size to the book. So this is the second book that I have, second set of cards that I have that have spells. It wasn't a thing before. So, I mean, you imagine recipe cards, for things that you're going to cook. Why haven't we done spell books more like this in little cards? Maybe they were. Maybe some people do have them that way. I've never had them that way. I've always had books. So, and then create books. But I like the idea of spell recipe cards. Okay, these are matte finish. They're a good size. Look at this. Beautiful lavender purple color. This is absolutely adorable, the witchlings, and they all have different things to share. So these are oracle cards. Motivation. Motivation kindles the passion and energy needed in working toward your goals. Transformation. Self-transformation is the evolving process of life that brings higher consciousness. Oh, absolutely believe that. These are gorgeous and fun and so cute. Paulina Cassidy introduces her 40 wonderful witchlings in this enchanting new deck and book set. The witchlings share their easy and uplifting spells to help you access your own energy and natural abilities. Okay, so let's get right into this book. Orion, the little purple owl. Orion, the universal familiar of the witchlings, acts as protector, mentor, assistant, and friend to each of them. Oh, it's got such a cute little story. Candle color magic, spell crafting equipment, crystals, gemstones, herbs and spices, essential oils. Now, if we choose this first lady right on top, abundance. Harmonize your thinking with exactly what you desire to attract, and the universe will deliver. So, let's see what abundance says. Abundance by Buttercup. Buttercup loves helping those whose hearts are full of caring by giving to them what they need and plenty more for sharing. Our world is ever flourishing, providing on endless bounty of resources. The universe offers a never-ending stream of abundance, knowing no limits. Vibrations of abundance are continually producing, expanding, and thriving in an endless cycle of plenty. All things, both seen and unseen, are the result of consciousness, otherwise known as thought seeds. The universal law of abundance is always responding to whatever it is you're asking, whether you realize it or not. When you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. If your focused thoughts are self-limiting or lacking in conviction, then the universe will bring you answers and ideas that are just as lacking in appropriate solution. Since your thought serves as seeds, think and act wisely. The law of abundance never rests and infinitely produces whatever thought seeds and actions it's provided to work with. Supply the universe with thought seeds that will grow into what you really do want. As you believe, you receive that which you think about. But thought is not enough. You must take action toward obtaining the desired stream of abundance into your life, whether it be material resources, love, happiness, and/or health. Harmonize your thinking with exactly what you desire to attract. Take action, and the powerful universe will assist. Perform one or all of the following spells, and you will be attuned to the energies of abundance. Let's just go ahead with the first one. Bring it, universe. You'll need a quartz crystal, an image, a photo or drawing representing what you wish to attract. Wash the crystal in warm water and gentle soap and dry. Hold the crystal in your hand, focusing on the specific kind of abundance you're drawing into your life, whether it be material resources, happiness, or good health. Oh, this one seems the easiest. Glow and illuminate. Say the following chant aloud with conviction each morning as you prepare for the day ahead, and each night after you prepare for bed. From the moon's beams and from the sun's rays, may abundance light up my life today. From the sparkling stars, enchanted with grace, may abundance glow and illuminate. It's okay to speak of the moon and stars in daylight and the sun at nighttime, because those beautiful celestial bodies are always there, shining upon the earth, regardless of whether they are visible or not. Oh, that's so true. Okay, I love it. I love it. This is absolutely cute. So with every witchling, you'll get a few spells for whatever they represent. And Abundance was the first one. I really, really am so happy I bought this and that I bought it in Salem. I actually set an intention that when I went to Salem that I would find perfect tarot cards and perfect spell book. I didn't actually find a spell book that I really liked, but I did find magical related tarot decks. So both of these have spell books of their own and their tarot cards. So setting an intention, and I made it absolutely manifest, and I'm really, really happy, and I love them. I love these. Okay, I'm so excited to use them. I hope you will try it. We can certainly all do the Abundance one, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really appreciate it. Love to all of you. Bye for now.